Everyone knows exercise is important. Regularly taking part in it is important for your general health, but what you do after you exercise to recover is just as important, whether you are lifting weights, running, playing sport, or a mix of these and others. Providing your body with the correct nutrition after a workout happens to be one of the biggest factors in helping your body recover so you can get the most out of your physical activity and reap the benefits. In this video, I will break down the key nutritional components which your muscles need to recover after strenuous physical activity. Carbs. Carbohydrates are needed to replenish the body's glycogen stores. The best way to replenish this is through complex carbohydrates, also called starches, as they are high in fiber and digest more slowly than simple carbohydrates, such as refined sugar. Examples of complex carbohydrates include bread, pasta, rice, and potatoes. As to how the replenishing of glycogen stores is needed when recovering from physical activity uses glucose through respiration. Glucose is stored in the body as glycogen. Therefore, these glycogen stores are depleted after physical activity. If they are not restored, the body turns to other sources of making glucose, in a process known as gluconeogenesis. This is where fats and proteins are converted to glucose. First, fats are used, and if not sufficient, protein is turned to as a last resort. The protein is taken from the muscles, causing muscular atrophy, which is muscle shrinking. In this way, carbs are the first nutritional component of muscle recovery. The next component needs no introduction in its role in muscle recovery. Protein. Protein's main role in the body is to build and repair cells. In terms of muscle hypertrophy or muscle growth, once the muscle has been damaged during physical activity, a repair process is initiated. This process involves hormones and of course protein. For some background knowledge, there are cells in the muscle that exist alongside the muscle fibers, known as satellite cells. These cells can multiply or then turn to skeletal muscle. After exercise, the damaged muscle causes these satellite cells to multiply and turn into skeletal muscle, resulting in increased muscle mass. By this process, current muscle fibers are repaired and new fibers can be synthesized. However, more satellite cells cannot be created without enough protein. This is why protein is needed in our diets after physical activity. The third component are antioxidants. These compounds are needed in general for the body to deal with free radicals. Free radicals are a byproduct of respiration, which can lead to cell damage. Their effects are neutralized by antioxidants. Therefore, antioxidants are thought to help maintain muscle cells, and even more importantly, to support your overall health by preventing various diseases. I would recommend getting these antioxidants from a natural source such as fruit and vegetables rather than through supplementation. Lastly, sufficient fluid intake is also important for muscle recovery. This is again another component that has greater implications for your general health, and again, of course, trickles down to this aspect of your body. Overall, replenishing your body fluids helps maintain normal body function and hence normal muscle function. So make sure to get enough fluids after training to replenish what was lost. In conclusion, nutrition is one of the major aspects that is important to muscle recovery, and through the right balance of nutrients, you can give your body the fuel it needs to keep up and prosper. Alright, that marks the end of the video. I hope you took something useful from it and are ready to apply it. Like the video if you liked it, and make sure to subscribe for more of these videos. Thank you for watching and take care.